curious how artificial intelligence is shaping today's digital world. Welcome to the AI Foundation course by AI CERTs, designed to build a strong base in AI. Learn core AI concepts, data-driven insights, and intelligent decision-making. This course provides practical AI knowledge to improve efficiency and problem-solving across industries. AI is transforming organizations. Without a strong AI foundation, teams risk missed opportunities. The AI Foundation course offers essential AI knowledge for data-driven thinking and intelligent decision-making. It aligns AI skills with real-world applications for smarter strategies and improved efficiency. The AI Foundation course builds essential AI skills for getting started in an AI-driven world. Learners gain a strong grounding in AI fundamentals and prompt engineering, understand the deployment of AI models, apply AI-driven automation, and learn to integrate AI strategies into real-world use cases, while emphasizing AI ethics and governance for responsible adoption. This course equips professionals with the core knowledge needed to confidently understand, apply, and scale AI across industries. The AI Foundation course is ideal for business professionals, AI enthusiasts, technology leaders, ethics professionals, and students or new graduates seeking a strong grounding in artificial intelligence. The program builds core AI knowledge covering fundamentals, ethical considerations, automation, and data-driven decision-making, helping learners confidently understand, apply, and evaluate AI across modern professional and organizational contexts. The AI Foundation course certifies essential AI knowledge for professionals. It covers AI basics, data-driven decisions, ethical AI, governance, and automation. This certification boosts efficiency, informed decisions, and responsible AI use in today's AI environments. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join AI Foundation course by AI CERTs to build essential AI knowledge. Learn how AI enhances data analysis, automation, and decision-making. This course empowers you to understand AI concepts, apply tools, and drive data-driven outcomes confidently. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore AI Foundation course by AI CERTs builds core AI skills. Learn how AI supports smarter decision-making, automation, and insights. Understand AI fundamentals, apply tools responsibly, and improve efficiency in today's workplace. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@𝗕𝗺𝗂𝘁.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.